What's up guys, Justin here with another video on the Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta YouTube channel. Now follow along with me as I take you through this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Now starting with the paint guys, the paint on this car is absolutely amazing. It's painted in a nice dark blue metallic that shines really well and shows off all the extremely sexy body lines of this car amazingly. It contrasts really well with this white hockey stripe going down the side as well, and if you get to the end of that hockey stripe you will see there's some 396 badging. But what actually powers this car is a Chevrolet 454 V8 mated to a Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission. Now obviously guys, that is not the numbers matching motor, but we do have the window sticker as well as some other documents to prove that this is a real SS and came with tons of options that you and I would both love to have in a 69 Camaro. As we look down to the wheels here, you will see some beautiful 14-inch Krager style SS wheels wrapped in some beautiful Goodyear radial tires. And up front, this car does have the disc brake upgrade to have this car stopping with ease. Now, as we get to the interior here, you will see two black leather bucket seats outfitted in that gorgeous black and white houndstooth interior, as well as that beautiful SS steering wheel and that silver 4-speed shift knob down there. Now, as we get to the trunk, you will see just how well this car was restored. All of your gaps and everything in the trunk are super clean. Even underneath the trunk is absolutely gorgeous and painted to match the exterior of the car. But that's enough on the exterior, guys. Let's go ahead and start this thing up and see how she sounds. Yeah, she's got a great sound, guys. But that's it today for the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to give myself, Justin, or my partner Chris a call at 770-738-7111 or visit our website at collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. We'll catch you on the next one.